Welcome students in the lecture of Digital System Design, lecture 7. In last lecture we discussed the binary arithmetic operation. Binary means base 2, 0 and 1 is a valid number. And in last lecture we discussed the binary addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In the subtraction we found that there is a complicated calculation regarding the borrow. Today we discuss the complements. The complements are used in digital computer for the purpose of simplifying subtraction method. Because as we discussed in the last lecture, the traditional methods require the calculation of borrow, but computer where the digital components, gates and etc. are difficult to understood the logic of borrow taking from the next bits or the next first bits non-zero bit. Another use of the complement system in digital computer for the logical manipulation. In complement there are two methods. Two methods of complement, and for base R one method it is known as a R's complement and second one is known as a R minus 1's complement. Okay. Method number 1 and method number 2. Two different types of the complements are very popular and used in digital computer system for the subtraction method as well as for the logical manipulation. When the values are based, substitute the two receive the numbers. Like a suppose example, if we talk about the binary system, so here base R equal to 2. So there are two complement method. One is known as a 2's complement, means R's complement, and second method is 1's complement. In general definition we can say that R minus 1's complement. Suppose example there is a decimal number system. So base is 10, R equal to 10. So there is also the R's complement is known as a 10's complement method, while R minus 1's complement is known as a 9's complement. 10 minus 1, 9. 2 minus, in binary 2 minus 1, 1's complement. Okay. In this way we can define the complement method for different number system. Today we will discuss the R's complement method for any base R. It might be binary, it might be decimal, or it might be applicable for any base number system. Now today we discuss the R's complement. Remember that thing, for a given positive number and first condition is that the number must be positive and in base R with an integer part of n digits. This is the second condition, where the integer, we are not talking about the fraction point, remember that thing, but the definition is applicable for fractional point also, but consider only the integer part n digit. This is the condition then r's complement of number n is in base r is equal to r raised to n minus n. Here remember that thing. Smaller n is the number of integer part and n is number itself. Okay. This is the main thing, and the condition is that n is never 0. N is not equal to 0. Remember that thing. If n equal to 0, then r's complement of 0 is equal to 0. Okay. This is only if n number is 0, the r's complement is 0. But this definition is here applicable, n is not equal to 0. Remember that thing. Let us take one example. The tens complement of 4290 decimal. Okay. So that means tens complement is equal to r raised to smaller n and capital N. Here smaller n is equal to how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. And n is equal to, capital N is equal to 4290. So as per the definition, r 10 raised to 4 minus 4290. So this will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 4290, 0, and this one. Okay. 0 here, we take here, it will become 999 and 10. So we have to take the borrow from one other. So it will become 5710 is the answer. In decimal. Tens complement of 4290 decimal. Okay. Let us take one fractional point. If a number with a fractional point, one another example. Only fractional points are there. The tens complement of 0.5255 decimal. Okay. Here in this case, the number of integer part is 0. And there is no integer part, 0 is that. Only fractions parts are there. Okay. So as per the definition, the tens complement of 0.5255 is equal to r raised to n minus n, r raised to 10 raised to 0 minus 0.5255, 10 raised to 0, this will become 1 point 1 minus 0.5255. So 1 minus 0.5255 is equal to, simple subtractions is that, so this will become 0.4755 in decimal. Okay, remember that thing. The answer is this will become 0.4755 in decimal. Okay. Let us take one example where integer part and fraction parts both are there. So this is the third one example. The tens complement of 35.639 in decimal. Remember that thing, when the complement is written, then we have to compare with the base. Here tens complement of decimal, so it is a r's complement. And as per the definition, this will become r raised to smaller n minus number itself. In this case, the number of integer part is 2. Okay, and so, and capital N number itself is 35.639. So that means this will become 10 raised to 2 minus 35.639. So we take the calculation here, 100.0000 minus 35.639. And the subtraction answer is 64.361 in decimal. Okay, doing this way subtraction. So the tens complement of 35.639 in decimal is equal to this. Okay. How we can define the r's complement in binary? So binary base is 2, so it is known as a 2's complement. Okay, let's take one example. Determine the 2's complement of number 100100 in binary. So here the first r raised to n minus n is equal to, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits are there. So 2 raised to 6 minus 100100. Remember that thing, 2 raised to 1 is equal to 10, 2 raised to 2 is equal to 100, 2 raised to 3 is equal to 130. So here 2 raised to 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 100. Okay, let's perform the binary operation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 100. So let us perform the subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 1 is not possible. So we have to go towards the left hand side, and first one replaced by 0. Remaining all are replaced by 1. At the present bit, current bit is 10. 10 minus 1, we already taken borrow, so the difference is 1. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, so the answer will become 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 in binary. So finally we can say that the 2's complement of 100 binary is equal to 11100 in binary. From the definition here, the 2's complement can be formed by leaving the all least significant 0 and the first non-zero digit unchanged, and replacing ones by 0 and zeros by ones in all other higher significant bit. This is the second thing is that. Okay. let me define that things. The second shortcut, just I'm giving the shortcut, is that how to can be directly convert. Our number is 1 0 0 1 0 0. So what we will do, start with the left hand side. The leaving all least significant 0. So this is the least significant 0. So we just put it same 0. This one is 0. Now first one. So the first one is replaced by 0. It is known as a first one. Okay. First one is replaced by 0, and then higher all bits are 0 is replaced by 1 and 1 is replaced by 0. This is the shortcut answer. To directly in single step we can determine the 2's complement of any number. Remove that thing. Let us take one another example of 2's complement of 0.0101 in binary. So as per the method, this will become r raised to n minus n 2 raised to, there is no any integer part, so 2 raised to 0 minus 0.0101. This will become 1 minus 0101. Means here the 140 minus 0.0101. Okay. So here from this bit we have to take the borrow because 0 0 0 0 here. So first one is replaced 1 1 1 and 1 0. The difference is here 1 1 minus 0 1 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0 1. Okay. So the answer is 0.1011 in binary. Let us take shortcut way. 0.0101. So here we have to consider only this much part. The first bit is unchanged. First one. So unchanged. So it remains same. Now 0 is replaced by 1. 1 is replaced by 0. 0 is replaced by 1. So this is the answer. It is applicable for everyone. It might be integer and fraction points both are there. So let's consider one number which contain integer part as well as the fraction part. Suppose we have to determine the 2's complement of 101.0100. Okay. So as per the definition, 2 raised to 3 minus number n means 130 minus 101.0100. Let us do it. Here 0 1, there is no meaning of 2 0, but still we will take. So 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0. Here we have to take the borrow from the first bit comes our difference is 1, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0. So the answer is 10.1100 in binary. Let us apply the direct shortcut way, direct way. Our number is 101.0100. The way is we have to start from the least significant bit. 0 is not change. This 0 is not change. The first one remains same. Now 0 replaced by 1 and 1 is replaced by 0. 0 is replaced by 1 and 1 is replaced by 0. So in this way also we got the answer 10.1100 in binary. I hope is it making sense. Have a good day.